Good morning, guys. Dude, just running around, not running, just walking around in my underwear on the campsite. It's amazing, man. But it's pooping time. Be right back. Guys, I'm so done with this place. I don't even want to film here. I just did the dishes and, you know, packed down everything, and now I'm going over to the Loud Friends place to get my clothes washed. And then I'm sure I can get the others to put it in the dryer. And so I'll just venture out and find a place for us to camp at later, because I'm not going back here. Literally, I'm not going back here. I'm done. I have half an hour to get over there and to get my clothes in the machine. Let's go. I talked to Dion yesterday, my American friend who's coming over here in about a month's time. And I can tell from what he told me that I don't have to concern myself about money for food and stuff. And, you know, everything being disorganized and discombobulated. Me and him, we basically want the same thing. We want to travel in the same way. We definitely don't want what's going on right now, which is this like intermittent camping or whatever you call it, staying in one place for like far too long. And I mean, right now we're basically forced to stay around this area for the next 2 weeks, basically a repeat of last month, because yeah, he spent all the money already. Oh my god, Mike, come on. I'm not so sure. I'm sure he wants this, but I'm not sure he's capable of doing it. Ah, my goddamn gears, they suck. They keep grinding. I hope I don't have to part ways with him. He is my best friend, my childhood friend. But listen, I didn't come to Denmark to hang out with my childhood friend. I came over here to start my new life, to start my nomadic journey. I mean, I appreciate him being here for me, but guys, don't get the wrong idea. It's not like I would have starved without him. I had some money from my graphics card, and with how fast I spent money, I would have still had some left over. So, like, I would have been fine at this point right now. So, but of course, I've eaten well instead of just sustaining myself. You know, I've actually gained weight, and so for that, I'm very happy. And also, it's been nice, you know, to have others around me. Because I did start this journey out on kind of a somber note, and this has certainly made it a little more joyful. But yeah, things are about to change. A month from now, it's really gonna start changing. And then a month and a week from now, I should be building the solar setup. So yeah, just be patient with me, guys. Check it out, guys. I just had a brilliant idea. I usually keep a half-a-liter water bottle there. Well, not usually. I started doing that like 1 or 2 days ago. And I just figured, hey, I can put my my speaker there, listen to some loud music right next to my head. Let's go. I'm listening to city pop right now, and every time I film, it stops playing, man. I want you guys to hear. God damn, I need a second phone. I put the half-liter bottle right here. So everything's in order. I just gotta pick up my, well, we gotta put our clothes in the dryer in like 40 minutes. So we're going back here. I'm on the beach now. Only been here for like 15-20 minutes. I put on some Fever 105 from Vice City Radio, and I got downvoted. They wanted to listen to Danish gangster rap, like shitty modern Danish gangster rap instead. I thought it was the beach vibes, man. I was just practicing some martial arts out there. It was good, man. I enjoyed it. I always try and keep connected to my martial arts roots, especially the taekwondo. I got long legs, you know? The beach is nice, man. That's where we were last time over there. And over there is my home, Sjælland. Or Sealand. Just over Storbæltsbroen. There's a lot of people around who don't want to be on camera, so I'm just skipping some stones over here. I don't want to film people if they don't want to be filmed, you know? Ooh, that was a pretty good one. This one is very round. And of course that one hits a wave. Or maybe I'm just shit, huh? There's always excuses. Yeah, maybe I'm just shit. Yeah, I need practice, guys. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow, that was like 8 at least. Okay, maybe I'm not all bad. Oh my god. This is what it's all about, guys. Let's go. I need to find a cold place for my water. I'm not about to drink warm water that's been baking in the sun. Let's see if it'll stay there. This is just a test. Oh no. Woo! Almost got hit. Yeah, I don't think that's necessarily the best place. Maybe if I put something on it. I found a solution. Let's see if it works long term. I don't think it will.
Vi sagde ikke quick-run, du gik i seng. Ja. Altså, så siger Mike bare til mig, fordi jeg siger, at du skideboldskab.
Guys, I got distracted and the tide came in. So I lost my bottle of water. I only got this little bit left. I don't know about the others. They should be able to take care of their own water. Just going down the shore to see if I can spot it, but I think it's lost, man. Hey, that's what happens when you don't pay attention. This track reminds me of a track my ex always played. She liked this kind of music. This was actually our favorite track for a while, this song right here. I miss her. Guys, I'm just standing over here preparing some rolled oats with sugar. Mikey just brought back some milk. And they got soda and a bunch of stuff. Check it out, breakfast is served. Guys, I love rolled oats. I just love them. They're healthy, they're delicious, and it's like Danish cereal. Guys, it's just rolled oats with milk and sugar, so I'm just rinsing it down here, you know? Just using my hands to rub off the stuff. It's clean now.
Nej.
Jeg har masser af tid. Det er virkelig fundet der ret.
Og du også, og du er kold og våd.
Alright, we're all packed up, cigarette butts removed, everything taken care of. Let's go. Okay. We just left the Loud Friends apartment. I got a shower. Yet again, no conditioner. But hey, I did a massive cleanup there. Like, the apartment was disgusting. And me and another female friend, we just fixed it up. The others helped a bit too, of course.
Okay,
but yeah, did a lot of cleaning up. Basically fixed that whole apartment up. The plan? Find somewhere on the beach. Well, close to the beach probably. I don't think we want the sand. I tried telling him earlier, like, if you guys want to camp on the beach, you either want to camp there for like a week in a row, get rid of all the sand, or just not at all. Because yeah, the sand gets everywhere. And cooking sucks, and you have to clean everything all the time. Yeah, preferably stay in the grass, just nearby the sand. But that being said, I lived on the beach for a month in a row with a bunny. It rocked, I love it. I never imagined a nomadic convoy that included a baby stroller. But it's pretty good, I like it, it's different. So we were walking, I think we made it about a kilometer, maybe a bit more, away from the Loud Friends place, and now I find myself in this nice garden with all these lights. And yeah, we got invited to set up our tents here in this backyard by a nice lady. And yeah, so we're just here. You'll get to see it in the morning. You can't really see anything, but it's so nice. It's so sweet here. So many lights. I got my tent right here. Got my light up there. Maybe I'll turn it around so you guys can actually see a bit. Got a bit of candy here. I gotta dry this one out. And then I just gotta get everything in its right spot right now. This one goes up there. This one over here. These ones can come up here and hang. I guess. Yeah, up there. And then let me get inside. So basically, we're just walking there on the street with the stroller. You saw it in the footage. And you may have even seen these two women in the footage. I'll have to go back. But yeah, there were these two women walking. The one who invited us here and her friend. They'd been out drinking rosé on a rosé walk, as they called it, since 3 o'clock earlier. So yeah, they were in a good mood, and she invited us to put up our tents because she heard where we were going, and it was quite far away. So yeah, we just went with her and had a nice talk. She offered us tea. We offered her soda, or at least her son. She has a son in his early 20s, so yeah, we offered some, but they didn't want any. But it's always important to offer something, so you're not just showing up taking, you know. But yeah, it's very nice. She's a part of the generation that still, you know, address random people, strangers, like ask about their business, what they're doing, where they're going, and such. You don't really see that much these days, not even from our generation. Like a few weirdos like me, we still have it, but most people of my generation, they don't. And younger people forget about it. They don't even talk to strangers. They don't even talk to people they know face to face. It's all over online, you know. But yeah, I'm pretty happy right now. I think I'm gonna jump in voice chat. I've been enjoying that a lot these days, you know, just hanging out in voice chat at the end of the day. I don't actually edit at the end of the day anymore. I do that in the mornings now. It's like the first thing I do when I wake up. I found a rhythm that works for me. So in the evening, I just hang out with the guys. Just maybe I'll watch 1 or 2 videos in the background after we've been hanging out for a few hours and the conversation dies down. But yeah, I really like just talking, not constantly stimulating myself by watching videos like I did in the past. Because in the past week or 2, I have been watching a few more videos than I did for the first month. But yeah, I want to keep that down. I mean, I don't even really have to do much to keep my video viewing down. I just, instead of watching videos in the evening, I just hang out with the guys. In fact, I'm gonna do that right now. I don't think this is good night, but who knows, right? It's candy time. These are my favorite from Stjernemix. Okay. Time to get on Discord.